Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just gonna touch on, should I say this evening, because I'm getting ready to retire for the night. And right before I take off my makeup and take off all the other stuff and get ready for bed, I was just putting together my breakfast for tomorrow morning, and I thought I'll share it with you guys. I've been on a little bit of a weight loss journey since I would say February last year. I've lost about 24 pounds. I'm not gonna lie, 24 pounds. And I kind of struggle within that, 2 to 3 pounds. Sometimes I gain a couple of pounds and then I lose it. When I do my cleanse, what I do is a smoothie cleanse by J.J. Smith, and it's been working very well for me. But in between the cleanse, which I've been doing now, I think it's I would say every 3 months, I do the 10-day cleanse. But, in between that, I try to make sure I, stay healthy, because it's a lifestyle journey. It's not, something you do for a minute and be cute for the season and go back to just getting it all again. So I just thought about it this evening. I said, you know what, let me do a quick video to share with my ladies, and maybe you guys might want to join me on this, and we can do it to maintain, either the weight we are in right now, or to just keep those extra pounds from coming right back, because very soon it's going to be swimsuit season. I really don't care whether it's swimsuit or not. I'm not one of those for the bikinis, but if you are, then great for you. But for me, I'm not the bikini type. But anyway, this has I have a little bit of spinach in this. I have a little bit of the mixed grain. I cut up some gala apple, just a quarter of it, and then another quarter of the green apple, and I have a couple of strawberries and blueberries, and then I put a scoop of the flax seeds, grounded flax seeds in this, so that way I can keep up with that omega acid. It's very important. So I will juice this up in the morning. I already put my water. I usually don't just put water in it, but I just figured I'd do it anyway, so you guys can see it. And this is my NutriBullet. So all I need to do is just pop it on in the morning, juice it up, and drink it. And it's actually, because I'm lazy when it comes to breakfast, so I don't like to do too much in the mornings. So most of the time I go without. But then I found that it's actually not even good for you unless you're doing intermittent fasting, which I'll talk about later on. I'm also doing that. So when I wake up in the morning, I do my couple of glasses of water. I wait like 30 minutes, and then I juice this up. And sometimes you can even juice it the night before. If you know you're going to be very busy, just juice it the night before. And then in the morning, you have your nice smoothie that you can drink that has your greens and your fruit. And it just keeps your body balanced. I'm really learning a lot about the stomach enzymes and all the good bacteria, the bad ones that needs to, behave themselves. So this is just a way of us just getting the nutrients that we need. And also it'll keep your energy up, and it just keeps you a little bit more focused, because you don't feel hungry, but it's something that will just make you feel like, okay, you did something good. So whatever you want to add in the afternoon, I'm not saying you should, slice of pizza, whatever it is, you don't feel too bad, because you already had your greens, you already had your nice little fruit to, create that base for you. So anyway, my lovely ladies, I hope this encourages you. And if you're already doing it, share. Let me know what you're doing that is keeping you together, or making you feel like you're on that good weight loss journey, or maintaining your weight. I just feel like this is a channel that I feel we should feel comfortable to discuss all these fun things. So today I wanted to keep it a little fun and just talk about what I'm doing in the mornings when I'm not doing my 10-day cleanse or doing the fast. So to keep our body together, because I'm not sure about the guys, but us women, every little 5 pounds we try to eat or something, it just puts that 10 pounds 5 pounds on us, and we're like, wait a minute, where did that come from? So, and of course with age and the hormones, things just kind of stick, but it really doesn't have to. You just have to change your eating habits. You just have to change your attitude towards food and healthier selection. It's not easy to do it all the time. So whatever little change you can make, even if it's just creating this smoothie every morning, drinking that, it actually tastes good because of the apple in it and the strawberries and the blueberries. But because the berries are very good for your antioxidants, so it keeps that radiance going that we need. Anyway, I don't know about you guys, but I know I need that. So anyway, I just want to touch on that. Um, and of course, the grains will keep you regular and all of that, good stuff. But just looking at this makes me actually feel happy. So, and sometimes I do put banana in it, and sometimes I can do a simple one with like pineapple and cucumber. I do that. So when I do put that together, I'll probably do a quick short video too and just share that with you guys. Anyway, so I hope you're gonna have a fantastic night tonight. You sleep well, and you're reading your Psalms every night, so you can sleep nice and wake up refreshed in the morning. And I'm gonna wish you a very good night and stay blessed. May God bless you. And if you love this little video, please click like. And if you have any comments, please keep it positive. Comment below. And then subscribe to this channel. Let's do this together. We're going to do a lot of fun things together. I love this actually. I don't know if I mentioned it before. I think I did. It's NutriBullet set. It's really good. Because when I juice it up, hook it up to the machine, juice it up, I just take this with a cup top and take it to go. And that's it. Again, have a fantastic night. God bless you.